lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And again, interaction po or interactive ang ating live sessions. Pwede kayong magtanong doon. Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa ating reading, no, baka po nandun sa kabilang channel ang inyong reading, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, or you may resonate with the entire reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So parang sa'yo, Leo, medyo parang we're overwhelmed with things, no? Parang sinasabi natin, naku, napakadami naman ng issue na nangyayari, napakadami kong challenges as of the moment, no? Parang kahit ganun pa man, no, gumagawa tayo ng paraan on how we can resolve the issues. Medyo stressful, yes. Medyo sabihin natin, this might be the first time that we encountered such things. Medyo burdensome. So feeling ko medyo na a-affect ang ating tulog, no? Hindi tayo makatulog na maayos. For a few numbers of you, baka namomroblema tayo kung saan tayo lilipat ng tirahan, ng kwarto, what have you, no? Or sa sobrang stressful nito, medyo hindi nga tayo nakakapagpahinga, no, ng kumbaga putol-putol ang tulog natin sa dami ng ating iniisip. One thing's for sure, medyo gusto nating ibahin yung course ng ating nangyayari, no, sa mga buhay-buhay. Meron tayong actually mina-manifest yung heart natin, no. I think hindi natin masyadong inaasam yung grandioso, no? Yung kailangan nakatira kami sa 4-story house, no, or sa bungalow. Okay lang nasa maliit na kwarto. For a few numbers of you, baka ito ay also when it comes to finances, dahil medyo tight, no, tayo ngayon. For a few numbers of you, baka ito ay problema din sa ating romantic life. Now, this might be a combination of one of two, or, you know, all of the above that I mentioned. Pero kasi one thing's for sure, you're trying hard, no? What is blocking your manifestation? I think that this is communication. One thing that's blocking your communication, one thing that's blocking your manifestation is the communication, not just communication, but an honest communication. So I think that with these options that siguro medyo tinitignan natin ngayon yung sinasabi nating baka pwede, no? Or baka pwedeng lumusot, baka pwedeng ito yung mangyari. Pero parang feeling ko kasi nga dahil sa kulang sa tulog, dahil kulang sa tamang nap or time, no? Yun na lang, time para makapag-isip dahil sa dami din ng problema, dami ng issues. Parang sinasabi natin dito ay siguro mas makakabuti, no, kung mabibigyan ako at least siguro okay na kung 1 week, no, ng off vacation. Yung iba sa inyo 3 days medyo okay na, no? So I believe that opportunities will be your answer or will be the answer to your situation, no? Kasi with the Page of Pentacles in here, parang sinasabi natin, magkaroon lang ako ng break, no? So para kasing umay na tayo sa nangyayari, no? Pati ko napapakamot ng ulo sa umay. Kasi parang sinasabi natin dito, parang hindi ko naman yata deserve, no? Um, kung finances ito, I think that you're looking for either a new job, a second job, no, or a third job, what have you, no, or a sideline. Kung ito naman ay romance, it felt like medyo stressful ka dahil hindi kayo nag-uusap ni person. So meron kayong separations, no? Mas more of siguro nako-consume ang time natin sa pag-iisip, plus the fact that we are checking on our person's social media account, no? So, sabihin natin nag-stalk or we are just checking an update, no? So, parang sinasabi mo dito, mahal pa ba ako ni person, no? Or kung ito'y finances, or sabihin natin um, opportunities when it comes to career advancement, no? Parang sinasabi mo dito, available pa kaya, magkakaroon pa kaya ako, no, ng opportunities kung romance, mahal pa kaya ako ni person, no? With the Six of Pentacles, ginagawa ko naman lahat. I think that you are trying to communicate. For romance, you're trying to communicate kahit walang sagot. Sometimes you feel like you're bugging your person, pero that's okay. You're willing to wait when is the time for them to yung magkaroon ng time para mag-reach out or para mag-respond. Yung sa'yo, parang, sige, I'm willing to wait. I will do, no, what is intended me, what's intended for me to do. Kung ano yung nasa table ko, I'm gonna do it, no? Pero kasi with the Ten of Pentacles, we are asking for more. We are not actually satisfied from what we are getting. Now, with the Eight of Pentacles, feeling ko, kasi with the Eight of Pentacles, parang ito lang yung ginagawa natin sa araw-araw. Wala tayong masyadong ginagawang kakaiba, no? I'm not saying that you're not doing the job well, kasi nga master mo na to with the Eight of Pentacles, right? So parang from the moment that you sit on your chair or the moment that you started to move, eto na, kahit nakapikit, kaya mo na siyang gawin. I think that probably you're getting a little bored with the situation that you are experiencing. That's probably why you are more into um, I'm seeking for a challenge. I'm seeking for something new, right? Uh, with the Eight of Wands, I'm seeing communications, but the communication is not going to happen face to face. Chances are it will be delivered by email, news, calls, text, no? Whatever this manifestation is with the Wheel of Fortune, yun ang pinakamagandang nangyari kasi we are not expecting for, we can say this is a good news. We can say that this is also a news that we don't really expect. However, bakit in the end, bigla mong maiisip na, kailangan ko pa ba to? Parang, after all the hard work na ginagawa mo, bigla mong maiisip ngayon na, sandali, sobra-sobra yung effort, no, ng either pagkahumaling, pagka gusto kong ma-achieve. Ngayon, nung nandito na sa harapan ko, is it really something that I wanted? Is it really something that parang iki-question mo yung sarili mo, worth it nga ba? No? Where's the tower moment in here? Kasi tower moment, chances are medyo takot kayo dito. Pero I feel like you are expanding. Tower moment may not always be a good sign, pero ang nakikita ko dito sa flow, no, ng energies, the reason being why you feel that way is because you are already expanding. The universe is actually pushing you, no, to look on the bigger picture. Probably you're too focused on something, which is meron pang in store for you, no, meron pang something that you can do better. With the tower moment in here, I'm seeing you are also reinventing yourself, reinventing the situation. Probably, no, ito yung sitwasyon na sinasabi nating akala ko, pero nandito na sa harapan ko, I think I may have to reevaluate myself, no? Um, Something changed in me. This might be something that I want, but is this something that I must have? No, so magkaiba yon. So this is your reading, Leo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. But before that, I want you to know na dun nga po sa ating um, kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, nandun po yung interactive ng live session. So, magtatanong kayo, pwede kung sumagot, no? But if hindi nyo naman siya naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatahimikin ng konsensya ninyo sa yes or no lang na sagot, might as well dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Now, click nyo lang po yung link, maroute kayo dun sa aking website. Nandun po yung amount per question, the name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 that's already discounted price. Now, take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. Now, Leo, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. What I am seeing in here is Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Gemini, Cancer, Capricorn, Sagittarius. Yeah. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye, Leo.